How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to remove your TikTok profile picture but you're unsure how, here are a couple of easy methods. So watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. Also make sure that the TikTok is updated to its latest version. Now go to your profile and then tap on edit profile from the profile page to open the editor. And if you tap on change photo, you will see the options to take a new photo, upload one, or view the current photo. There is no direct option to remove it, but here's a trick. If you want to replace your current photo, tap on take photo, cover the camera, and take a picture of a dark surface, and this will make your profile picture black. And if you want the default profile picture, exit TikTok, open a new browser, or you can also go to Pinterest application. From here, simply search for TikTok profile picture. And here you will see several different options. You can go ahead and download one of them, then come back and tap on change photo and select the photo that you just downloaded. Tap on next and tap on save and post, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can remove your profile picture on TikTok. So for more TikTok tutorials, subscribe to our channel and also like and comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.